Hi everyone! In this video, I'll walk you through how to submit an itemized vendor invoice. To get started, make sure the work order status is pending vendor invoice. Then, click Submit an Invoice. Unlike the standard invoice screen, the itemized invoice interface provides a more detailed breakdown of labor and materials. While the invoice is displayed in a more detailed format, the total invoice amount remains the same as it would using the simple invoice submission method. After reviewing the imported information for accuracy, submit the invoice as usual. This feature makes invoice entry faster while providing greater visibility into labor and material costs.